Have you ever pondered the question, does the universe possess consciousness? This query catapults us into a deep philosophical journey, a journey that's as old as human thought itself. It's a question that has intrigued thinkers, scientists, and philosophers alike. We're about to delve into the idea of panpsychism, a philosophy that suggests that consciousness isn't limited to humans or even animals, but extends to all entities, even seemingly inanimate ones. Imagine the universe not as a vast empty space filled with celestial bodies, but as a conscious entity, brimming with awareness and intention. This idea is not as far-fetched as it may sound. Consider this. We, as conscious beings, are part of the universe. Our consciousness is derived from the universe. Could it then be possible that this consciousness is a reflection of a larger universal consciousness? The concept of a conscious universe challenges our traditional understanding of existence and our place within it. If the universe is conscious, then we are not mere spectators in a cosmic theater, but active participants in a grand conscious symphony. Every atom, every star, every galaxy could be a note in this symphony, contributing to a melody that's been resonating since the dawn of time. This idea also nudges us to rethink our relationship with the universe. If the universe is conscious, then we are not separate from it, but intricately connected to it. We are not just in the universe, but of the universe. Our actions, our thoughts, our existence could be influencing the universe in ways we cannot even fathom. Now, let's take this thought a step further. If the universe possesses consciousness, what might that imply about the nature of God? Could God be the consciousness of the universe, or could the universe itself be God? These are profound questions, ones that push the boundaries of our understanding and invite us to explore deeper truths. As we venture further into this topic, let's keep an open mind, for the answers might be as vast and mysterious as the universe itself. Is God a construct of human minds, or could there be a divine consciousness that binds the universe together? This question has been the bedrock of numerous philosophical and theological discourses over centuries. Each interpretation, each perspective, brings a new dimension to our understanding of God. Let's delve into some of these interpretations. Many believe that God is an omnipotent, omniscient being, the creator of all things. This is a common perception in monotheistic religions like Christianity, Islam, and Judaism. On the other hand, polytheistic religions like Hinduism and ancient Greek religion propose the existence of multiple deities, each governing different aspects of the universe. But what if we step outside the confines of religious doctrine? Philosophers like Baruch Spinoza propose that God and the universe are one and the same. This pantheistic view suggests that God does not exist as a distinct entity, but is the totality of the universe itself. Now, let's go a step further. If the universe is conscious, as some scientists and philosophers suggest, could this consciousness give rise to a form of divine consciousness? Could the universe itself be a form of godlike entity? This concept challenges our conventional ideas about God. It suggests that divinity is not an external separate entity, but an inherent quality of the universe. It's like every star, every planet, every atom is a part of this divine consciousness. This perspective paints a picture of a God that is not confined to holy scriptures or religious institutions. Instead, it presents a God that is as vast as the cosmos itself, as intricate as the neural networks in our brains, and as mysterious as the dark matter that fills the cosmos. This brings us to a fascinating intersection of science, philosophy, and spirituality. It encourages us to rethink our understanding of God, of the universe, and of ourselves. It inspires awe, curiosity, and a sense of wonder. It's an idea that both humbles us and elevates us, reminding us of our smallness in the grand scheme of things, and yet our profound connection to it all. But how does this concept of a conscious universe relate to our quest for answers? Let's explore this in the next scene. The search for understanding is a fundamental part of human nature. But what if the answers we seek are not separate from us, but part of a larger cosmic consciousness? This question leads us into the unending quest, a journey that transcends the boundaries of our individual selves and ties us to the fabric of the universe itself. We are not merely observers in this cosmic theater, but active participants in its unfolding story. Our thirst for knowledge, our drive to understand, is the universe's own quest for self-awareness. Think of it this way. As we delve into the mysteries of existence, we are probing the depths of the universe's consciousness. Each discovery, every revelation, is not just ours, but the universe's. This reframes our understanding of the quest for knowledge. It is not a solitary endeavor, but a deeply interconnected process. Consider the stars, those distant points of light that have guided explorers and inspired poets. When we study them, we are not just learning about distant suns, but we are also gaining insight into the very matter that makes up our bodies. The carbon, the oxygen, the iron in our blood, all were forged in the hearts of stars. In a very real sense, we are the universe learning about itself. And what of the question of God? If the universe has consciousness, then perhaps our notions of a divine being need to be expanded. Perhaps God is not an external entity, but is instead intertwined with the cosmos itself. Perhaps God is the universe's consciousness, the underlying force that binds everything together. In this light, our quest for understanding becomes more than an intellectual pursuit. It transforms into a spiritual journey, a path towards oneness with the universe. We are not merely seeking knowledge, but are participating in the universe's own process of self-discovery. In a conscious universe, the line between the seeker and the sought becomes blurred. Every question we ask, every answer we find becomes a step towards a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. And so, the unending quest continues. So where does this leave us in our understanding of the universe, God, and our place within it all? As we've journeyed through this thought-provoking discourse, we've delved into the possibility of a conscious universe. We've considered the profound implications this holds for our understanding of God, not as an external entity, but potentially as an inherent aspect of the cosmos itself. We've also pondered the notion of our unending quest for knowledge, not as a mere human endeavor, but perhaps as a manifestation of a larger cosmic process. A process where the universe, through us, strives to comprehend its own nature. In essence, we've realized that our questions about the universe and God are intrinsically intertwined. The answers, rather than being external or separate from us, might just be integral parts of the cosmos. We, as conscious beings, are both the questioners and the answers. Perhaps the answers we seek are not out there, but woven into the very fabric of the universe itself.